Yo, morning guys, hi, welcome back to the channel. So this morning I'm hopefully going to get out. It's been over a week since I've been out. So something else I'm going to try out is this Flymount. I've had this Flymount now for about 2 months or something, but every time I try to use it I keep making mistakes. I'm forgetting the screw to go in to screw on the GoPro, or I'm forgetting the leash to leash it on. It doesn't work on the bigger size wings, it doesn't work on my 6 or 7. Put it on the leads and edge, you turn this here and then it tightens it off, and then you attach your GoPro. Basically that's how it works. I'm going to try that today, see what footage we can get off that. Like I say, I have had it a couple of months and only been able to actually use it a couple of times when the wind's been strong enough to use a smaller wing that it will actually fit. So you know, that's the limitations of it. You can see the size that it goes to. It's about as big as it goes. Look, there you go. So anything with a wing size bigger than that you can't do. There you go. So I'm going to get all the gear and I'll get everything in the van, head down and meet the guys. So in typical Chris style, I didn't bring my 4, as you do, and as you can see it's bleaching. So I'm going to go out with my 5, I'm going to be pretty overpowered. I think like it's probably about 25 miles an hour. See, it looks pretty flat mined. The guys will be down soon. There's supposed to be the whole team's coming down, I think. Mick, Mark, we've got Andy and John. Mick Burt's coming across from over there, which is Paddy's, which you can see behind me back there is Paddy's.
Okay, yeah, so it's time to get on the water now, so here we go, and you can see Andy there in the background, and he's on his Dakun 4 metre, the same as my 5 metre that I'm on here really. I'm really overpowered on this 5 on this day because it is blown pretty wild. So I'm getting my jibes and I'm getting my tacks now, so that's nice. I quite like the angle of this camera, but at 140 grams plus the weight of your GoPro, you can really feed it on the end of the wing, especially when you're moving it over your head like that. Hinge sits right on the seam of the wing as well, which is a little bit annoying. I didn't quite get the angle right either. Like on a 3 metre wing and a Plasma 1000. Plasma 1000 is 7 aspect ratio compared to the fluid that I'm on, which is 6, and is on a fluid as well. He's on the large tall. Again, that's an aspect ratio of, I think they're about 5.96. He's doing really well getting his jibes sorted. So yes, I keep persevering with these tacks. Start to land a few. It was great to watch Mike today because I'm a visual learner. I find it's a lot easier to learn something when you watch somebody else do it before you try and achieve it. And I've learned I need to move that wing a lot faster over my head to achieve these tacks. So yeah, it was a great day all in all, and then all of a sudden, you know, I get bit and my foil goes straight through my wing. So you know, at this point really you've got to head in. Nice big hole there. My session over, but it's time to head in. I can ride it even with a hole in my wing here. Here's Mike, and he's flying around still as I'm heading in. He hits 25 knots this day. Well, the day's not over yet. It's time to film the lads.